OpenGL says from _param received a non-contiguous array. After installing Yosemite, I had to upgrade numpy, pyopengl, etc. Now, a previously working program is giving me the following stack trace. It looks like pyopengl wants my array to be contiguous. Looking at the source in numpy format handler.pix in pyopengl. And pyarray_isArray evaluates true if the data area of A is C-style contiguous, and pyarray_isBehaved, is true. Whereby pyarray_isBehaved evaluates true if the data area of A is aligned and writable and in machine byte order according to its descriptor. However, the flags attribute of the array that was pushed to OpenGL is. Perhaps I need to align the array, but using numpy.require with requirements equals aligned column true doesn't seem to work. I looked at the changes in numpy 1.9, which indicate there is a new compile time environment variable np_relaxed_strides_checking. If this variable is set to 1, then numpy will consider more arrays to be C or F contiguous. For example, it becomes possible to have a column vector which is considered both C and F contiguous simultaneously. The new definition is more accurate, allows for faster code that makes fewer unnecessary copies, and simplifies numpy's code internally. However, it may also break third-party libraries that make too strong assumptions about the stride values of C and F contiguous arrays. It is also currently known that this breaks Cython code using memory views, which will be fixed in Cython. This will become the default in a future release, so please test your code now against numpy built with np_relaxed_strides_checking equals 1 python setup.py install can check whether np_relaxed_strides_checking is in effect by running np.110 1 order equals C. Flags.f_contiguous. These will be true if relaxed strides checking is enabled, and false otherwise. The typical problem we've seen so far is C code that works with C contiguous arrays, and assumes that the item size can be accessed by looking at the last element in the pyarray_strides array. When relaxed strides are in effect, this is not true, and in fact, it never was true in some corner cases. Instead, use pyarray_item size R. However, np.110 1 order equals C.flags.f_contiguous is false on my system. So I'm stumped. What changed that is causing OpenGL to think that the arrays I'm sending it are not contiguous and aligned? Is there a way to align an array by force?
This is probably related to this bug in numpy 1.9 to which no one is assigned this URL.
Sure.